Buying a nice car is one thing. Owning one is like adopting a needy, very expensive houseplant, except the plant demands premium oil, genuine filters, and a small fortune every time it sneezes. Today, we're counting down the top 5 normal luxury brands that will quietly, politely, and then quite loudly ruin your bank account.
Number 1. Porsche. You all knew this was on the list. Porsche will look at what the usual price is for a fix is, then make up a number that sounds good to them. They ask themselves if they should have 4, 5, or 6 times the price. A routine oil service on a 911, Panamera, or a Cayenne costs around $600 to $800. Need new brakes, God forbid? $3,000. And therapy after paying that invoice. Porsche knows their customers got the money, and they also know that few Porsche customers are willing to try to do even the smallest of jobs themselves. It's the dream car you can drive every day if you can afford to keep it breathing. Number 2. Land Rover and Range Rover. The rolling castles of the automotive world. And like castles, they leak a lot. Air suspension failures are common. Electronics throw tantrums at random. Transfer case issues are classic. Dealership labor runs $250 to $350 per hour, and a simple service can easily hit $1,500 to $2,000. Owners report 10-year maintenance bills reaching $20,000 or more, all at the dealership. Drive it like royalty, pay like a peasant. That's the Range Rover promise. Number 3. BMW. The ultimate driving machine and the ultimate wallet workout. Oil changes at the dealership? $300 to $450. Major services? Easily 2,000 plus parts. Common faults include coolant leaks, valve cover gasket failures, electronics quirks, and turbo issues on some models. Labor rates hover around $220 to $300 per hour, and the dealership insists on only using OEM parts. In other words, they could sell you a valve cover gasket for the price of a weekend getaway, and they probably will. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz. Sitting inside feels like being hugged by luxury itself until the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Amatic suspension, electronic modules, sensors, and infotainment quirks make dealership visits unavoidable. Labor costs? $200 to $300 per hour, depending on the dealership. A typical service for an S-Class or GLE can easily hit $1,200, and major repairs are often in the $3,000 to $6,000 range. Comfort is expensive, and the dealership is counting every penny. Number 5. Volvo. Many might be surprised to see this on the list. Volvo's reliable? Mostly. Affordable at the dealership? Not so much. Labor costs are usually $180 to $220 per hour, and parts like turbo seals or electronic modules are imported from Sweden. Annual maintenance averages around $1,000, sometimes more for XC90s or S90s. The cars are safe, but the dealership will gently remind you that every trip to fix infotainment bugs, turbo issues, or software glitches comes with a friendly invoice. So there you have it. Porsche for precision pain, Land Rover for royal wallet destruction, BMW for German surprise repairs, Mercedes for luxury-induced sticker shock, and Volvo for polite Scandinavian charges. Different brands, same story. They know you've got the money, and they know you're too scared to try and fix it yourself. Many times they even make it difficult purposely with special tools needed. Owning a luxury car is fun until you visit the dealership. Which one of these brands would you dare to service? Drop your repair horror stories in the comments. And remember, nothing says I love my car like paying dealerships more than your mortgage for an oil change. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.